work of dance alchemy, many things change very quickly because we not only use our awareness, but we enter through the heart and love and acceptance of ourselves and all our different energies. We enter the body and the energy and the things that are held there that keep on running their programs in our lives. And in the dance of the 7 chakras, it's a very beautiful opportunity to bring this transforming alchemy through dance and heart meditation and expression into all the areas of life that are taken care of by the 7 different energy centers that we have. We are so in life, in our conditioning, we are so trained to be less, to push away certain feelings, to push away certain energies, that we don't even know who we are. We don't know our gifts. We don't know what our fears and our pains are. And when we go into each of these levels, each of these chakras, we have a chance to give those space and expand and come back to our natural flow of all the different energies that make up our aliveness and to enjoy that, which is our birthright. Sometimes people ask me, they say, I can't dance. And this isn't true. Everyone has a way of expressing through their body. It is our joy to dance when we can find our own movement. And my group is not about following anybody. We allow the body to do what it wants to do, to express the way it wants to, and the joy of finding your innocence, your own way of moving your dance. There's nothing compared to that. I hope you come and dance with us.